Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best camping coffee is probably one of the most essential pieces of gear for any camping trip. Imagine waking up in the wilderness, the sun rising over the trees, and the aroma of freshly brewed coffee filling the air. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of camping coffee makers, exploring different types, and helping you find the perfect one to fuel your outdoor adventures. Number 5. MuellerLiving 34-ounce French press coffee maker. This rust-free stainless steel French press is perfect for any location, whether you're camping, at the office, or at home. The double-walled carafe keeps your coffee hot and full of flavor. This French press makes up to 8 cups of strong coffee. You can also use it for brewing tea, hot chocolate, or keeping frothed milk hot. A chart in the manual helps you control the coffee strength. It's simple to use. Just add coffee grounds and hot water, stir, add the lid and filter, and wait 4 minutes. Then, press the plunger, and your coffee is ready. This coffee press is dishwasher safe. The plunger and filters are easy to disassemble if you prefer to hand wash. We recommend cleaning it after each use. Say goodbye to coffee grounds in your cup. This French press includes 1 coiled filter, 2 stainless steel screen filters, and a metal cross plate filter, ensuring a smooth brew. What we like. This French press is made of durable stainless steel, perfect for any adventure. Its double-walled design keeps your coffee hot for longer, ensuring a great taste. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-clean coffee maker for camping or home, you should consider this one. What people say. I really like the double-wall insulation. The press works very well and keeps the coffee warm for the second mug. The filter head works well and does not leave any grounds in your coffee when poured. This is completely stainless and has a fantastic brewing capacity. It does not leak when you pour it. It is a great size and the stainless is a beautiful color. It's very easy to use, very high quality, and makes delicious French press coffee. It's easy to clean and we love it. Number 4. Primula Classic Stovetop Espresso Maker. Want rich, smooth espresso at home? This maker brews 6 servings in minutes. You can easily craft your own espresso, lattes, and more. Made with cast aluminum, it's built to last. It provides even heat distribution for the best flavor. It also has a heat-resistant handle for safe pouring. It's simple to use. Just add water and coffee, then put it on the stovetop. In minutes, delicious espresso fills the top chamber. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply rinse with warm water and let all the parts dry. Then, it's ready for your next use. This coffee maker is portable and works on various stovetops. It's the perfect accessory for camping. It comes in 5 different sizes. What we like. This stovetop espresso maker is crafted with durable cast aluminum, ensuring longevity. It's also portable, working on various stovetops, making it ideal for camping. If you are looking for a classic espresso experience on the go, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It brews rich, flavorful coffee every time. It's a beautiful retro look, super simple to use and makes a terrific pot of espresso. Easy peasy. Number 3. AeroPress Clear Black Coffee Press. Introducing the AeroPress Clear Black Coffee Press. This innovative coffee maker is made with crystal clear tritan, making it durable and shatterproof. You can see your brew wherever your journey takes you. This combines French press, pour over, and espresso methods. It distills the best of all 3 into one portable device. The result is a rich, full-bodied cup in under 2 minutes. Air pressure and microfiltration work together to speed up extraction. This reduces bitterness, allowing you to enjoy the full spectrum of coffee bean flavor. You'll taste the smooth notes and the origin of your coffee. It's simple to use, add coffee and water, wait 30 seconds, and press. Cleaning is just as easy, pop out the grinds and rinse. It's fast and easy for home or on the go. It offers full control over brew time, temperature, and grind size. You can personalize your favorites, from classics to cold brew. It's compact, lightweight, and built for travel, fitting easily into your bag. What we like. This coffee press combines French press, pour over, and espresso methods into one. It brews a delicious cup in under 2 minutes, perfect for those on the move. If you like a versatile and quick brewing experience, you should consider this one. What people say. It is easy to do and easy to clean. Makes an excellent brew. It's easy to learn and use, but still makes a cup that tastes far better than most standard brewers. The coffee comes out smooth, rich, and consistent every time. It's lightweight and compact, so it's just as useful at home as it is when traveling or camping. Cleanup is quick, just pop out the puck and rinse. Number 2. Zulay Moka Pot Espresso Maker, 6 cups. This Zulay Moka pot lets you brew rich espresso the traditional way. Simply fill it with your favorite coffee grounds and place it on your stovetop to make delicious lattes or cappuccinos. Crafted with durable, food-grade cast aluminum, this Italian-designed pot ensures quick and even heating. It also features a safety valve for optimal pressure and a heat-resistant handle for safe pouring. Cleaning is a breeze. All parts disassemble easily for a quick rinse. Avoid soap to preserve the essential coffee oils that enhance the flavor. This lightweight maker is perfect for travel. Use it on electric or gas stoves to enjoy great espresso anywhere, anytime. Just remember, it's not for induction cooktops. We are so confident in this product that it comes with a lifetime guarantee. If you have any issues, we'll make it right. You're going to love it. What we like. This stovetop coffee maker brews authentic Cuban and Italian-style espresso. It's made with a durable aluminum body and is easy to clean. If you are looking for a traditional espresso experience with a rich flavor, you should consider this one. What people say. The Zulay Moka Pot Espresso Maker pours perfectly into your mug without any spills. The design hasn't changed much in decades, and for good reason, it works beautifully. The Zulay Moka Pot brews rich, flavorful espresso quickly and easily. Number 1. AeroPress Go, Portable Coffee Maker Kit. This compact travel coffee system lets you brew rich coffee in under 2 minutes. It includes a portable brewer and a lightweight mug with a silicone lid. You can easily make hot or iced coffee while traveling or camping. This device combines French press, pour-over, and espresso methods. It distills the best of all three into one sleek, portable device. The result is a rich, full-bodied cup in under 2 minutes. Air pressure and microfiltration speed up extraction. This process reduces bitterness, allowing you to enjoy the full flavor of your coffee beans. You'll taste the smooth notes and the origin of the beans. To brew, add coffee and water, wait 30 seconds, and press. Cleaning is just as easy, pop out the grinds and rinse. It's fast and easy, whether you're at home or on the go. This coffee maker gives you full control over brew time, temperature, and grind size. You can personalize your favorites, from classic brews to cold brew, iced coffee, and espresso-style drinks. What we like. This compact coffee maker is designed for travel, including a mug that doubles as a container. It brews a delicious cup in under 2 minutes. If you are looking for a truly portable and convenient coffee solution, you should consider this one. What people say. It's compact, lightweight, and just as easy to use and clean as the standard AeroPress. It's incredibly compact, easy to pack, and brews a smooth, rich cup in just a couple of minutes. Compact and portable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.